Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. A, how much I like them, but also B, by that title you heard correctly. And a recent Samsung update broke my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. It actually broke a specific feature. And I can't wait to hear you guys' thoughts down in the comment section below if you guys have experienced something similar. Now, before we get into either of these two topics in this video today, I would like to, again, continue to thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for being part of this journey and those who have continued to rock with me for a good bit of time now. I've noticed, if you guys see it on the screen here, I'll splash it up there, bam. You guys have seen that we went from like 98% to like a 2% ratio in terms of people who watch the channel to 88% and 12%, meaning that a lot of you guys who watch myself on a regular actually finally subscribe. And sometimes it's just as simple as forgetting to hit the subscribe button down below the video and hitting that like button to let YouTube know that this video has been appreciated. So if you guys could do that if you haven't already, and for those who continue to have been here, again, thank you guys. We're coming up on 10,000 subscribers, and I think we can do that relatively quickly as we continue to reach more and more people and those who actually respect my opinion and my perspective on tech. Again, I thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me, especially with a lot of things that's been going on in the background for me. So to know, guys, I have support from you guys has been amazing. So now, without further ado, let's get into the video. And the first thing we're going to talk about is that update that broke the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And that update is not from the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. It's actually the January update from Samsung. You heard correctly. If we come in here to settings and I jump back into my software update area and I show you guys this last update, January 2025, 519 megabytes in size. This update broke the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Now you're saying, how did it do that? Well, let me actually jump into the wearable app here. And let's go ahead and on over to, by the way, as you guys can see, have about 14 hours left on the battery. And if we check the battery real quick, I know this is so side note. This is so side note. It has been alive for a day and 13 hours. So you're looking at 2 days, almost 3 days on the battery. So not too bad actually. But again, like I said, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. If we jump on over here, I actually open them so that way we can actually access them. And man, why not do this as like a nice simple thumbnail, right? Now, if we come over here to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, I'm going to show you guys exactly what feature broke, and I noticed it immediately after the update, and I had to go in and find what that feature was. Hopefully Samsung just needs to issue out an update to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, because I think it has potentially something to do with security, or it might just be a simple bug. But if we jump into the sound quality and effects settings for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and we jump further down into advanced quality options, super wideband speech has not been working. Now, I wonder if you guys have noticed the same thing, but how did I pick up on this problem? Whenever I tried to make phone calls or phone calls received, and I would try to answer them with my buds in, it would not pick up the phone call. It wouldn't. I would have to switch back from the buds to my Galaxy Watch or speaker from my phone, or just to take it on the internal speakers on the phone to actually take that phone call or to make that phone call. My Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will not receive phone calls with super wideband speech activated. And to know that this is the case, I even tried toggling it back on and it wouldn't work. So it's weird. So I think it might just be a bug. Hopefully it wasn't some weird security patch that they didn't realize affected super wideband speech when it came to phone calls. But that feature I had to turn off in order for my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro to receive phone calls again. So a little bit weird for sure, but this is not the first time Samsung has issued out an update that broke something random with their products. I remember back with the One UI 5, I think it was One UI 5. That broke like the tablet. Like, it was like certain aspects of Good Lock that was broken on the tablet and or phone. I actually have videos about it on the channel. But it was around that period of time where Samsung was issuing out updates and it was breaking random things when it came to Good Lock and specific settings, or a combination of settings would glitch. And so it happens with software from time to time, but I did want to bring that to your attention. If you have a pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and you're trying to use that super wideband speech, and you try to initiate phone calls or take phone calls with your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, let me know down in the comment section below if you've experienced a similar issue. If not, it could just be me and my model specifically, but I had to turn it off for it to work. And hopefully that Samsung just issues out either another update to the Galaxy devices, specifically with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 here, since that's what I'm experiencing it with, or the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are just due for an update because they haven't received an update in a while. Maybe these just need to be updated so that way that feature can remain active and provide the best call quality for phone calls. So I did want to highlight that when it came to the Galaxy Buds, that I have a feature broke as a result of the January update. Now, in terms of the Galaxy Buds, how have I been enjoying them? I have been enjoying. They have fantastic, fantabulous. I I adore these so much. Now, the only other issue I have with these from time to time is placing these in the actual case, because what can happen is the contacts down at the bottom doesn't always, I guess, initiate proper contact with the bottom of the bud, and so they either A, won't light up to show that they're charging, or even if it does, the case itself still doesn't quite recognize charging, and you'll get a notification on your device saying that the earbud stopped charging. So I don't know, it's a bit of a weird design. At least we get notifications this time, because I actually don't quite remember getting no notifications with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. But with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, definitely get those. And all I do is I take them out, and then I'll blow on this side and I'll blow inside, and then I'll replace it in. See, you guys see right here live on camera, I place it in and it did not initiate a light. Now, if I try to tap down on it, now it does. And so I do it over here again. I would blow here, blow there, and then I would place it inside. And now you see that they initiated proper contact. If I close it, we'll see any indications on the phone in terms of, nope, we don't have to worry about none of that. So now that I know that they're properly contacted, I know that they're charging. And so if you guys have been rocking with Galaxy Buds for a while, when it comes to your devices, you will know that each iteration of Galaxy Buds, there was always a bud that just didn't charge properly. And so one bud would be charged up 100%, the other one would be at like 13%. And that's all because of how the contacts are within the case for the bud to sit in and actually properly charge, and we wouldn't get notifications before. And so now that we do, which gives us the ability to make sure that we can properly set these in our case to get that charge. So as interesting as it is that I wanted to talk about the buds overall, I kind of just wanted to highlight those couple things really, and maybe I'll do another video where I actually detail kind of more in depth or overall how have they been overall, despite these couple of nuanced issues that I've been experiencing with them. But despite these issues, of course, I love these things. Like the one thing I might grab me is some memory foam tips, because I've been going back and forth between small, medium, and large. Large actually seemed like they were working, but I also felt like they were like slightly uncomfortable, just because like I still had to try to keep nudging them in my ear. I think I'm back on medium right now, or I dropped back down to small, because at least with small, no, I'm at medium, I think. Just because it just seems like it's like the overall best all-around choice. But I might grab memory foam tips, because I'm just sick of always having to try to push these in. I really miss the wingtip design, and hopefully they bring that back with the next iteration of the buds, because I think that would do these a whole lot more justice for the ear. You should just place them in and not think about them again. But when you work out and whatnot, these suckers sure do like to try to fall out the ear. And so, but again, if you're not doing that, usually not a problem. I enjoy these a whole lot, and I'll drop more of like a in-depth review maybe in due time. But I did want to just bring that to you guys' attention. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys have been experiencing with your Galaxy Buds. Are you even on the third iteration of the Pro models? Are you rocking with the Galaxy Buds 3, the 2s, the 1s, the Beans, the Live? Well, I think those were the Lives, the Galaxy Bud Lives, the Galaxy Buds Plus. The comment section is open for discussion. Again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, it's all free. That way you never miss my videos, so you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super thing button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App or PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. Jermaine Micah signing out. Until the next video, wait for